Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to quickly cover one topic, that how to send video messages from front camera as well as from back camera. I will cover both the things in this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel if you like the video. So not wasting much of your time, directly coming to the topic, just open WhatsApp and suppose I will just show you. Open WhatsApp and suppose you want to send the video message. Here you are seeing the mic sign. Just tap once and it will convert into the video signal. So what you need to do at that time to send the video message, just press and hold it. Now timer will start and see it is through front camera and recording is going on. As soon as you will leave, it will be sent. Otherwise, what you can do, just tap and hold and just slide it upwards. Now it will lock. You can either record the message through front camera, or you can just switch from here to back camera, and back camera you can record the scenes. Whatever you want to record, you can record. So after that recording, just send message. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. First, how to send the video message through front camera and through back camera. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.